Rocket Labs might be one of the most interesting space stocks right now on the market. Ticker RKLB, founded by Peter Beck in 2006. Rocket Labs is one of the few private companies that are consistently launching rockets into orbit right now. Everyone's heard of SpaceX, but unlike SpaceX, it's publicly traded, so we can actually buy shares. Over the past year alone, it's climbed from $15 all the way up to $100, currently pulling back around $65. This gives the company a valuation of around $30 billion. $30 billion sounds like a lot, but currently SpaceX has been valued privately at around $800 billion. And after merging with Elon's xAI, the combined value of the two ranges from roughly $1 trillion to $1.5 trillion. Rocket Labs generated over $600 million last year in revenue from satellite systems and rocket launches. The big catalyst now in its growth is Neutron, its upcoming reusable rocket. So yeah, the stock sounds great and all, but execution, cash burn, and competition are all very real.